Hi guys, I'm Harini. I'm from Material Science and Engineering. I'm doing year 3 with a second major in Innovation and Design.
So hi, I'm Felicia. I'm also a year 3 student and I'm also from iDP, from Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering.
I found out about iDP through an email invite, which was like blasted to our cohort. And then I also went down to a showcase, which happens like every year, where our seniors get to showcase their like year-long projects and their achievements in their projects. And that really inspired me, and it gave me a prospect of like, oh, I can also work on a year-long project and I can bring something to life. And that was the main reason for me joining iDP. Our year-long project is on converting municipal food waste into lactic acid. And the main reason we picked up this project is because there were two main problems. The first one is that lactic acid was produced from purpose-grown crops, and these resources can be used for something much more useful. And at the same time, food waste-wise, in 2025, our public waste collectors need to take in all the food waste, and this will become a pressing issue in Singapore as well. So together, we wanted to solve the issue of food waste and lactic acid. And that's why we came up with this as our project. So how did we go about it?
Alright, so our project actually entails 3 main phases. So the first phase is pre-treatment, followed by treatment and post-treatment. So for pre-treatment, it involves things such as oxygen radicalization and stripping off moisture from food waste. Essentially, it's meant to decontaminate food waste. After which, we will actually extract out the calorific value, more specifically carbohydrates. And next, we will actually pass it to the treatment phase. We will pass it through a bacterial fermentation reaction that will be able to convert these carbohydrates into lactic acid. And finally, the post-treatment is just simply to filter out and semi-purify the lactic acid. Yeah, and that is the main idea of our project.
Being able to work with other engineering students and being able to know what they learn about in their discipline has been something very enriching for me. And to see how we can each play a different role for our projects and bring it together in a cohesive manner has been something which was amazing for me.
One of the greatest challenge actually lies in understanding each other's work. Because for instance, like an electrical engineer isn't exactly able to understand a material engineer work as well as what a material engineer will be able to. Yeah, and but despite that, that is when communication really comes in, and working as a team. Yeah, I think that is really very important. And these challenges can be very easily mitigated.
So the thing I like the most about iDP is definitely our supervisors. Like throughout our project and throughout everything, they guide us with so much passion, and they guide us for everything that we may have questions on. Like for our project, there were like so many challenges and things which were completely unknown to us, and they were the ones who really came through with like their experience, and like they told us what we have to focus on, and like really they were our main supports, the roots of our project, definitely.
For those who are also interested in starting up in the future, iDP provides you with the opportunity to learn the skills that you need as an entrepreneur. And also, who knows, you might be even able to take off the idea that you have started in iDP as your startup idea in the future. So yeah, there's a lot of opportunities in iDP. So personally, I also feel that if you are thinking of joining, you should definitely join as well.